Boys and girls, we are going to be doing a lab today that's entitled Rock Identification. I'm starting at this point. You do have your username and password that is emailed to you, and the link, as well as is in class link for you to get signed in. This lab involves a lot of different rocks and minerals, as we have talked about igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. We're going to be sorting them, as we know, and double checking to see if we have them right. So I know that gneiss, just from our discussion, is going to be a metamorphic rock. I can double check my status. They are selected correctly. Now, pumice, as we've talked about our pumice stone before, we know that it's an igneous rock. I'm going to put it under the wrong category just to double check. One is correct, one is incorrect. Now I'm going to move it to the correct category and double check my status. You can also do it by label. I like it by the name. You will have to click that, and it'll show the rock type. When we have showing your common characteristic, you can see how they're formed, and they show a definition for each. Now, location is kind of nice because you can sort these also by where we would find them, and they will also check to see if you've classified them correctly. So it's a lot of fun to be able to play around with. After you're done sorting these, you will be coming down and there will be 5 questions for you to fill in from the lab, making sure to take your time, try your best, and see which answers would be it. In order to get full credit for your lab, you're going to need to do all 5 questions and submit. All right. It is graded, so please make sure you do so. It's pretty easy to play around with, have some fun. I can always hit reset. I like the rock types just because I like to show my common characteristics, and I like to put my name so that it's there. I check each one when I put it in just to make sure that I have it correct. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email, and I will be seeing you after fall break.